Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by importing footage and matching composition settings to the clip so tracking stays precise. Once done, decide whether point, planar, or 3D camera tracking suits the shot, because the choice determines later workflow. Place clear markers or pick high-contrast features. Make sure to trim the analyze range to the action. You should enable sub-pixel accuracy and adjust search region size. These steps speed up solving and reduce drift as you run the tracker forward or backward. You now run the analysis and watch for jumps or rising error values, because catching issues early saves time. Once initial tracks exist, refine by increasing sample points, smoothing keyframes, or splitting problematic segments and retracking. If you need object stabilization, invert the track or bake motion to a null. If compositing, apply corner pins or attach layers to the solved nulls. Make sure to mask moving occlusions and add manual keyframes, where automatic tracking. You finish by applying tracking data to your assets, parent layers to the tracking null, or paste corner pin values, so elements lock convincingly to the plate. Once applied, pre-compose and render test frames to verify perspective and scale. Adjust easing or motion blur to match footage. If you see drift, rerun sections with denser feature points, extend search regions, or insert manual corrective keyframes. Remember one troubleshooting tip. When tracks fail repeatedly, simplify the region and track shorter intervals for stable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.